Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make a complete backup and note which devices use your Apple ID. On a Mac, open System Settings, click your Apple ID, then iCloud and turn off iCloud Drive. Also disable Desktop and Document Sync. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name iCloud Drive, and toggle it off. Once done, choose whether to keep a local copy when prompted. Make sure to pause other syncs so files stop propagating while you continue. Once iCloud Drive is disabled, move any files you want to keep out of the iCloud Drive folder into a local documents folder or external drive so you avoid accidental deletion. Sign out or disable iCloud on other devices to stop re-uploading. Check apps that use iCloud, Pages, Numbers, third-party editors, and turn off their cloud sync or export files locally. Then clear caches and big attachments and verify local copies open correctly. This prevents data loss when you remove cloud copies. To finish, sign into iCloud. And delete iCloud Drive files you no longer want, then empty recently deleted. Alternatively, remove local iCloud Drive folders from each device after confirming backups. Check Apple ID storage to confirm space was freed and sign out of iCloud on devices you no longer want linked. If something goes wrong, stop, restore from your local backup, or use iCloud. Restore feature. That one troubleshooting step often recovers accidentally removed files quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.